Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to draw on Instagram messages using the latest Instagram DM feature. If you want to send fun drawings directly in chats, now let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone. This is where all your messages and chat features are available. Step 2, go to your DMs section by tapping the message icon. This opens all your private conversations. Step 3, open a chat where you want to draw. This can be with a friend, group, or anyone you message regularly. Step 4, tap the plus icon at the bottom right of the chat. This button shows extra options like media, stickers, and drawing tools. Step 5, tap draw. This is a new feature on Instagram that lets you create hand-drawn messages directly inside chats. Step 6, choose a color and draw anything you want on the screen. You can write, sketch, or make symbols to express yourself. Step 7, tap share or send to deliver your drawing and it will instantly appear in the chat like a normal message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy Instagram tips and updates.